right, y'all, so let's get right on into it. We are going to use our Revair reverse blow dryer. It's this big pretty machine here, and they gave me this big pretty kit. I already took it out of the box and everything. I'm sorry, we just don't got time for that today. I'm a little sick, please don't mind my voice. So my hair is already split in half. We'll split this section in half. Just clip, and just clip that out the way. Forgive my curls, y'all. I have been flat ironing my hair for months now, so they're just a little bit like, yeah. So for curly hair, it says 60 seconds, and for coily zigzag hair, 90 seconds. Pretty sure at this stage, this is barely even curly, y'all. Oh, I done fried it up. Yeah, this is curly, so 60 seconds for this. So on here, you control the heat settings. So you have your cool, neutral, and you have level 1 heat, and then level 2 heat. And you just put your hair in there. Apparently, it can, as long as your hair is like this hose is freaking long. So, I'm not growing my hair that long, but yeah. And then here, I'll show, a different angle. You can control like the settings, like the suction settings, how hard it's gonna pull your hair down into the hose. I guess like the more kinky your hair is, like the higher of a setting that you would need to use. We'll start with like 3. We'll do like a 3, maybe like a 4, and do level 1. Yeah, so to use like 3x3 inch sections. I'm sure I could probably get away with just splitting this in half because I don't feel like being here all day. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So yeah, we'll just do that right there and just pin this out the way. Got a million different clips. Okay. So your hair should be damp. It should not be like soaking wet. I've been kind of sitting here for a minute and just playing with stuff. So my hair is actually kind of dry. Not dry, but it's damp. They did give a little water bottle just in case I do need some moisture. I want to go ahead and take the little cream they gave. It's so cute. It is so cute, y'all. This little bitty look. It's so cute. Yeah, so like the consistency is like, it's just light. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I do not like to use a whole lot of product because I feel like it just makes your hair like a little bit stiffer, a little bit like almost sticky if you don't really know what you're doing. So yeah, that's why I'm using like the one for type 1 and type 2, because I don't like that heaviness. So I'm about to fry this stuff up in a minute, okay? I'm gonna give it just a little bit of water. Cause I'm gonna put a little bit more. I use by Organics. Is that the name of this brand? Organics, OGX, whatever. Silk blowout. I use some of this to spray some in my hand because this nozzle is like, y'all, like 1,000 times. Do not use oil. I can't remember if it said why or not. I don't know. I guess it will just damage the product in some way. So I'm gonna listen, and we're not gonna use any oil. I'm nervous because I have never used anything like this before. Like, if all my hair yank out, I guess y'all gonna be the first ones to see it, but let's hope it doesn't. Let's see. There's the button, so you turn it on here, and then it'll turn on, and then you select the little thing. Forgot to tell y'all, it's it was already set on level 4, and this is on level 1. So, all right, take 2. Okay, there we go. Y'all, I don't know how, but I guess I had it on the cool shot, you know, the neutral, like no heat at first. That's why I felt so good on my scalp. But yeah, this was level 1, and it's not bad. Not bad. It's pretty soft. It's still okay. Well, it did that though. Let me find out it's gonna be done with it. Okay. Try level 2 and see if that. Or should I try a heavier suction? I'm just trying to get these crinklies out, and it's still a little bit wet. I'm gonna turn the suction up like 1 more. So it's on suction level 5. I promise y'all my arms are not that long. Dang, like, oh my god. And I gotta turn that around because I would just keep on. We'll do level 2. Level 2 here, level 5 here. Because I honestly kind of want it straight. I'm not gonna lie. We're just gonna see. Let's see. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh. 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 Okay. I wonder if I put it on level like 7 suction, would it like straighten it out? We're gonna find out. Okay. So this is like maximum settings. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared, but I kind of just want to see. Kind of just want to see what it's gonna do. So. Wow. So let me get up here so y'all can see. It basically, yeah. That's what it did. I'm not really like timing it. I guess I just stop when my ancestors tell me to stop, I guess. Like, I don't know. Seems to be working for me. I'm not that patient. I don't even think I leave it on for 60 seconds, honestly. Probably like 45 seconds. And my hair is like not that, you know, curly and like crinkly right now. So, yes, I like it. So I guess we'll we'll go ahead and just finish up here. I guess I won't like bore y'all with the whole video. Remember, no oil. And yeah, once again, I apologize for the way I can barely talk today. My thoughts are all over the place. I really like feel like crap, but it's cool. For my ladies with hair longer than the tube, you are gonna want to kind of do it like in half. So you know, put it to your root and then bring it like halfway, because I think most of the heat, you know, it stays like up there. That's my little hypothesis that I'm getting from it right now. It's doing a good job, I guess. Yeah, I guess it just needs smaller sections. Oh my god, smaller sections. I'm gonna try not to braid it so tight. Keep it straight so I can straighten it out, but y'all see that? Braid out coming soon. I got y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so we're done. I had to do like a bunch of other videos just now, but I'm done. This is the part where I guess I talk about how it was. Okay, so yeah, it was very good. I liked it. Only thing I would say is the roots. Maybe it was just something I did. The roots are definitely like still a thing. They're still curly, but I'm sure if you like, you know, like put it there, it would do it. It would do what you need it to do. I'm sure it would. So let's talk about this little price point. It is a little bit on the, you know, for me, like blow drying with, you know, Conair, Revlon, and all of that. Like those are good. I guess this is less work, basically. I mean, you know, it is a little big. It's less work though. Let me just kind of hold it up there. I don't know. It's just cool to me to even like have it and do it. I'll definitely be using it for like my twist outs, braid outs, cause like you can even. Now this is actually why I think it's worth it. I see on a couple other videos, they take like their twist. I don't know if I put this in this video already. I might have did that on TikTok. I don't even remember. You can put your twist, your braid. I'm gonna try to put a flexi rod. We gonna see if my hair burn up. I don't know. I'm gonna try it though. You know, but that's like the biggest thing, you know, when you're styling natural hair. It's like, hey, you gotta wait all day, all night, 40 days or 40 nights for this stuff to dry. And when I seen that you could put your twists and your braids in there, I'm like, y'all on something. Y'all definitely onto something. Thumbs up, Revair. You did your thing. I guess that's it for me. Feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna have so much more for y'all to watch. If you like, comment, oh yeah, drop any questions y'all have, because I got a lot of videos coming and I want to know what y'all want to know so I can know what to do. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching.